Welcome to Kumaruuu. Welcome to the TCS NQT coding series, where we solve TCS NQT coding questions. In this session, we're diving into the TCS NQT coding series, specifically focusing on a question from September 2022 Day 2, Slot 1 Question 1. Let's explore the problem statement. Given an integer array ARR of size n, we aim to find the count of elements whose value is greater than all of its prior elements. The first element of the array is always considered in the count. Constraints are 1 equals n equals 20 and 1 equals ARR, I equals 10,000. Let's break down the explanation using an example. For n equals 5 and ARR sad face 7, 4, 8, 2, 9, we consider 7 in the result. Elements 8 and 9 are greater than their prior elements, so the count is 3. Hence, the output is 3. Here are the steps. Step 1. Get the value of n and initialize result to 1. Step 2. Create an empty list and input elements. Step 3. Initialize a temporary variable and count elements greater than previous ones. Step 4. Print the result. Now, let's move to the coding platform to write the code for this problem.
TCS NQT, a challenge to embrace, solving problems but starting great. Oh yeah, embrace the challenge, let's reach for the sky, coding with passion, together we'll fly. With Kumaruuu as our guiding light, we'll conquer the test, shine so bright. And around the goal, view it dreams, take flight. TCS NQT, a challenge to embrace, solving problems but starting great. Oh yeah, embrace the challenge, let's reach for the sky, coding with passion, together we'll fly. With Kumaruuu as our guiding light, we'll conquer the test, shine so bright. And around the goal, view it dreams, take flight. TCS NQT, a challenge to embrace, solving problems but starting great. Oh yeah, embrace the challenge, let's reach for the sky, coding with passion, together we'll fly. With Kumaruuu as our guiding light, we'll conquer the test, shine so bright. And around the goal, view it dreams, take flight. TCS NQT, a challenge to embrace, solving problems but starting great. Oh yeah, embrace the challenge, let's reach for the sky, coding with passion, together we'll fly. With Kumaruuu as our guiding light, we'll conquer the test, shine so bright. And around the goal, view it dreams, take flight. TCS NQT, a challenge to embrace, solving problems but starting great. Oh yeah, embrace the challenge, let's reach for the sky, coding with passion, together we'll fly. With Kumaruuu as our guiding light, we'll conquer the test, shine so bright. And around the goal, view it dreams, take flight. TCS NQT, a challenge to embrace, solving problems but starting great. Oh yeah, embrace the challenge, let's reach for the sky, coding with passion, together we'll fly.
Now, let's delve into the step-by-step explanations for the Python code. In step 1, we get the value of n and initialize the result variable to 1. The user is prompted to input the size of the array, which is crucial for subsequent operations. The variable result is set to 1 at the beginning, representing the inclusion of the first element in the final count. This step is vital for setting up the foundational elements needed for the upcoming stages of the code. In step 2, we create an empty list named ARR and input the elements. The loop iterates n times, prompting the user to enter values for each element of the array. These values are then converted to integers and appended to the ARR list. This sets up the array with user-inputted elements for further processing. In step 3, we initialize a temporary variable, temp, with the value of the first element in the array. Then, we iterate through the remaining elements of the array, comparing each element with temp. If the current element is greater than temp, we increment the result count by 1 and update temp with the value of the current element. This process helps us track and count elements that are greater than all of their previous elements. In this final step, we print the result, which represents the count of elements in the array that are greater than all of their prior elements. By using the print function, we display the value of the variable result on the screen. Remember, result was updated during the loop to keep track of the count of elements that meet the condition of being greater than their previous elements. So, whatever value result holds at this point will be the final count we're looking for. This count helps us understand how many elements in the array satisfy the condition. And with this simple print statement, we have our answer ready to be displayed. In this final code, we bring everything together. We start by getting the value of n and initializing the result to 1. Then, we create an empty list and input the elements. Next, we initialize a temporary variable and count the elements greater than their previous ones. Finally, we print the result. This code elegantly solves the TCS NQT coding problem. Each step plays a crucial role in achieving the final result. It's a clean and efficient solution that captures the essence of the problem statement. We successfully tackled this TCS NQT coding problem. It's a great accomplishment. Remember, every coding challenge you overcome is a step forward in your journey. Stay tuned for more problem-solving videos in this series, where we'll continue to explore interesting coding questions. Keep coding, keep learning. Well done. Thank you for joining us in this TCS NQT coding series. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more problem-solving content. Stay tuned as we tackle more coding challenges together. Happy coding, and see you in the next video.